African legends. There's Lion Sleeps Tonight by Lebo M, which was featured in the movie The Lion's King. I have more connection to it because it was more like a first song my uncle kind of bought for me while I was a child. I was happy that I was actually going to do that song. For the publicity tour, I went to Port Harcourt, my hometown. Port Harcourt people are on a day. I got to meet people who support Kingdom. Like I saw people wanting to take pictures, wanting me to sing. Thank God I didn't fall my hand.
Okay, here we go. Closing out the show tonight with The Lion Sleeps Tonight by Lebo M. Ladies and gentlemen, Kingdom.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Near the village, this quiet